Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is the first day of fall, and to celebrate that we are going to make the perfect apple crumble. This one is great for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or even if you are just craving a midnight snack. It's perfect because what is great about it is that it tastes as your grandma made it, but it's the healthy version and it's guilt-free. So you can perfectly eat it whenever you want. So let's go into the kitchen and start making this recipe. Before entering the kitchen, it is always so important and helpful to write down the ingredients, measurements, and instructions, and to review it a few times so you have a clear idea of what to do and your results will turn out much better. For me, it is also helpful to set up the mood with a little music for inspiration, so you can do the same if you want. Here is the apple crumble recipe so you can prepare to follow along. First, let's put in the cup of quinoa flakes into a large bowl. Then put in a cup of almond flour, the half cup of delicious pecans. You can never go wrong with pecans for fall. A half cup of coconut flakes, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of clove, 1/4 of nutmeg, a pinch or so of salt, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, one-fourth cup of either maple syrup or date syrup. Maple syrup is better for fall, but if you don't like maple, date syrup is a great alternative. Then we are going to add 2 scoops of coconut sugar, and really blend the ingredients very well for about 3 minutes or until it starts looking almost like dry granola. It should look like this, so let's set this aside for now and continue. Next, we are going to peel 4 apples and slice them. The skinnier you make the slices, the better, because it will bake easier. Once you're done cutting, add them into a bowl so we can spice them. Start off by adding 1.5 scoops of coconut sugar on top, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, a pinch of salt, then sprinkle on about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Next, mix the spices and the apples around so each slice is perfectly coated. You can really start to smell how delicious it is going to taste. Now that the apples are coated, we are going to put them in a baking pan. Look how beautiful this already looks. Let's turn on the oven to 350 degrees and wait for it to warm up. Then, let's evenly layer the apples with the crumble we already prepared. Make sure each apple is layered with the crumble. And now it is time to put it in the oven and let this bake for around 45 minutes. If you want the apples to be very soft, apply a cover on top of the pan so the crumble doesn't burn. but if you want it to be a little crunch, leave it on cover. The 45 minutes have now passed, so let's check it out. It came out so perfect. Let's put this in a bowl so it's ready to eat. So now is the moment to see how this came up. I'm so excited because if you could stay here, this house smells so good. Oh, I can't even tell. Hold on. This is like piece of heaven. Praise the Lord for that. Hold on. Okay, so this apple came out exactly as tender how it's supposed to, and I'm pretty sure we can enjoy this with almond milk. You can also put a cup of ice cream like on top of this. That would be amazing. Just make sure it is a healthy ice cream. So if you do this recipe at home, just make sure you tag me on Instagram. It's exactly the same name as my YouTube channel. And also leave your comment down and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I'm pretty sure you like, don't say no. So also subscribe to my channel because I'm coming with some new videos with autumn recipe ideas. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.